Hey Java developer, how about a simple and practical plan to boost your career in the next 3 months? With this plan, you can become a desired and well-paid developer and have a flexible routine with a good quality of life. It's a simple step-by-step process for you to work with high-quality projects that have fewer bugs and the code is easy to maintain, maintaining a healthy work-life balance by working fewer hours, earning a competitive salary that reflects your skills and contributions, excelling in interviews, and securing desirable job opportunities. And the most important, rediscovering your passion and motivation as a developer. Want to know more about it? I've prepared a free class to tell you more about this and how to have a successful career, become a recognized and well-paid developer, and still have more free time for you and your family. You will discover how to unlock your career quickly and with a simple step-by-step process that I applied to my career and dozens of my mentees. Then click the button below and I have recorded another video explaining everything.